In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in ClickUp. If your to-dos are scattered across a list and you want them organized under a single parent, this quick process will tidy things up by converting several standalone tasks into subtasks you can manage together. First, open your ClickUp account and make sure you're in the right workspace and space where your work lives. Navigate to the folder or list that contains the items you want to organize so you're looking at the correct set of tasks. Next, locate your specific task. You can scroll through your list or board view, or use the search and filters to narrow things down by name, assignee, status, or due date. Once you see the task, hover over it and click the checkbox to select it. In list view, you'll find the checkbox on the far left. In board view, it appears on the task card. Now, select as many tasks as you want to group. Simply keep clicking the checkboxes on each task you intend to include. When multiple tasks are selected, a bulk action bar appears at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find the options you need. If you don't see the bar, double check that at least 2 tasks are checked. At the bottom, click More to open the full set of bulk actions. This expands additional options for working with your selected tasks at the same time. Choose Convert to Subtask. This tells ClickUp you want the selected tasks to become subtasks nested under a single parent, which keeps related work in one place and simplifies tracking and reporting. Then, follow the prompts on your screen. ClickUp will guide you to pick the parent task that will hold these subtasks, and it may ask how you want to handle assignees, due dates, watchers, and other attributes during the conversion. Review the summary, confirm your choices, and let the app do the rest. Depending on your permissions and automations, teammates may receive notifications about the changes. That's it. You've grouped your tasks by converting them into subtasks under one parent, making it easier to prioritize, delegate, and see progress at a glance. If anything doesn't look right, you can retrace these steps, adjust your selections, and run the conversion again until the structure fits your workflow. After the conversion, refresh your view if needed, and expand the new parent task to see the subtasks nested neatly beneath it. If you make a mistake, use the undo option right away, or repeat the process to correct it.